shores of Florida Blanca. Tara na!
Welcome to Florida Blanca, the heart of Pampanga that's rich in culture, history, and tradition.
Kinggitna ng Zambales Mountains at Pampanga River, ing Florida Blanca tinyang papakita larawan ning masiglang pamibiyebye ning Kapampangan. Metatagya ini ng 1823. Ing balen na ini, kilalaya para king kayang pamana king agrikultura. Tem malawak ka sugarcane fields at ring palayan na huhulma karing tanawin.
Beyond its scenic views, Florida Blanca is a home for unique festivals, local delicacies, and warm hospitality, which makes it a must-visit destination in Pampanga. Join us as we explore the heart of Florida Blanca's local culture. Our first stop is the Caloocan River, a hidden gem in Florida Blanca.
Ing danom ning ilog, amag mula king malapit sa Zambales Mountains, magdalayang malinis sa danom para karing magbubukid at residente ning balen. Pilang banwa na ing milipas, ing palakol ing mahalaga ayaman king balen ning Florida Blanca. Alimo king agrikultura, dapat pwede yatin bilang mapayapang lugar para king pamagpainawa at king family picnics.
Surrounded by thriving plants and trees, it's a great place to connect with nature and experience the simple beauty of rural life here in Pampanga.
Heading on to our next destination is the San Jose Church or the San Jose Obrero Parish, located in Barangay Poblacion, Florida Blanca, Pampanga.
Metatagya ini ng 1867. At inyang estilo neo-Gothic at makasaysayan niyang makiugnayan king Apple Wall. At ing pangon niyang bulwagan ning San Jose de Calumpawi. At inyang kapilya ng 1823. Ing kasalukuyang estruktura tinuklas ng 1887 kaya bening Ama Luciano Moros Ila.
This church is known for its distinct facade with long pointed arched windows and a slender belfry. Its parish festa is celebrated every May 1st, honoring Saint Joseph the Worker.
Now let's head to the City Municipal Hall of Florida Blanca. This building is not just an office for local government, it symbolizes the heart of the community.
Ing Municipal Hall na metatagya para magsilbi karing tao at importante yaking pamag-atad karing publikong serbisyo at programa. Ing modernong disenyo na papakit kim pag-unlad ning balen at pangako kim pamag-asenso, maging lugar ya para karing aliwang okasyon ampong pamagtipon.
From here, community members can engage with local leaders and participate in activities that shape their town.
If you're visiting Florida Blanca, Pampanga, make sure to check out Biotic Kitchen and Bar, an eat-all-you-can buffet that offers a variety of authentic dishes for all.
Ing Pampanga, ang madalas ausandang culinary capital ning Pilipinas, kilala yaking mayamang tradisyon ning pamangan na. At ing Biotic, manatili yan tapat king pegmulan na. Ing buffet ini, at syula rin kilalang pamangan ning Kapampangan, tulad na ning sisig, biringi, at tidtad.
Our final destination is Basa Air Base, located in Florida Blanca.
Ing makasaysayang militar pasilidad iti at inyang mahalagang papel king himpapawid at depensa ng Pilipinas magmula ng Metalacadya ng 1950s. Metalacadya bilang kampo ng US Air Force. Manang bandang tauli, ni pasayaking Philippine Air Force at ngeni, magsilbi ang importanteng lugar ng nukarin lamag sa nereng sundal.
This is important for its military function. It also contributes to the local economy and community through its various outreach programs and events. While the access to the place makes it evident, its presence in Florida Blanca serves as a reminder of the town's rich history and its commitment to its national security. As we've concluded our journey to Florida Blanca. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the unique charm and rich heritage that this town has to offer.
We started our adventure at the beautiful Palacol River, where the serene views and lush surroundings set the perfect tone for our exploration. Up to our final destination, which is the Basa Air Base, a significant military site with a rich history and strategic importance in the Philippines. Florida Blanca is more than just a destination. It's a place filled with stories, culture, and warmth from its people. We encourage you to visit these amazing spots yourself, as there's so much to experience firsthand, whether it's the local cuisine, the beautiful churches, or the friendly locals. Florida Blanca has something for everyone.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we encourage you to further uncover the beauty of the Philippines. Until next time, safe travels!